To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
But moving on, let's take a look at how the global market setup is expected to be going forward in the week as we enter that week where some clarity shall emerge on US's tariff. And to decode all that, we are joined by Seth Freeman, who's the Senior Managing Director of Glass Ratner Advisory and Capital Group. A very good morning to you, Mr. Freeman. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Let's start by talking about how the global market setup is looking to you, given we are entering this week where there should be some clarity possibly on US's tariffs on Wednesday. Now, do you expect this week to be a volatile one after registering those record highs last week?
I expect it to be somewhat volatile for a number of reasons. One is with the holidays, we have just in general lower volume. So what would normally be, price movements get a little more exaggerated on lower volume. But I was just reading a little while ago that although the announcement now is that trade tariffs may be imposed as of August 1 instead of July 9th. So, and Besant, our treasurer, is talking about maybe extending this July 9th date. So all this does is inject more uncertainty. And for that reason, I think we're going to see volatility.
You're expecting volatility for the next few days, and especially with the new decision on tariffs that has come in, which means that for now we will see some kind of relief at least for the next few days, and perhaps deals could be signed by the 1st of August. But Mr. Freeman, also wanted your thoughts on the oil market because of the recent OPEC Plus decision, and if you track the oil market closely, if you can tell us what does this mean for demand supply dynamics, and do you expect oil prices to fall further from the current $67–68 per barrel mark?
Well, it appears there's going to be a much higher supply than originally expected, and this is good for initially lowering prices. But I was reading earlier, there's an expectation the extra supply is going to be picked up. So it may just be short-lived.
Understood. Mr. Freeman, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now and helping us understand what the outlook is for the US markets and the oil market going forward.